Our next topic set will be measurement. Throughout this course, you'll need to solve problems involving measured units. This topic set will familiarize you with the common measurements used from the metric system and the US system of measure. You'll also learn how to reliably convert from one unit of measure to another. When we write down measured values, we always need to include the units of measure next to the value. Instead of writing out the unit long form, such as inches, INCHES, abbreviations are used. Try the following activity to see how many of the abbreviations for the units you know. Great. Blueprints often use metric units of measure, and so do many of our other applications as well. Metric units can be easily converted by multiplying or dividing by powers of 10, or moving the decimal place as a shortcut some people use. Compare the following measurements, which are all in the metric system, and decide which of the following is greater. When talking about lengths of measures for construction, measurements are often given using the US system measurement and include feet, inches, and fractions of an inch. We'll talk about how to reliably convert between these and how we know what measurements are equal. Try to match the decimal value for the following measurements in inches and feet with its fraction equivalent. Another reason why understanding units of measure is important is because many of the formulas we use require measurements to be given in a standard form. Ohm's law, for example, states voltage is equal to current times resistance. If the current is in amps and resistance in ohms, then the voltage is calculated in volts. However, if the current or resistance are given in another unit, we first need to convert before we can sub into the formula and get the right answer. The current in a circuit is 20 milliamps, and the resistance is 600 ohm. What is the voltage of the battery powering the circuit? Be sure to convert before subbing into the formula. Thanks for trying out the introduction problems. To learn more about units of measure and how to complete all of those practice questions properly, watch the following educational videos and complete the practice questions at the end.